Got me falling right back.
Hey guys, welcome back to Parky Mano, and today it's chicken chat again. No, wait, have I even done that? Well, I do chicken chat, and we're picking cherries, and Leia's really into picking cherries, right, Laya? She's eating the cherries. Laya, come here, Laya. Picking cherries with chickens. Here, do you want one? Let's see. Let's pick a nice one for Laya. Let's pick one that's kind of. See right here? Look at this cherry tree we have. It's beautiful, I know. Okay. Hey, look! Cherry! 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 Boom! There you go. It's okay. Ah, there you. Oh, she's eating it. She loves cherries. Bop!
I'm giving them a thought block.
They're eating cherries. I'm feeding them cherries.
I know.
Aw, Laya. Flock block! Flock block! You just crumple it on the ground?
Yeah.
Well, they're eating their flock block.
It breaks up anyway.
There you are. You eating a flock block? It's okay. You can eat it. Yum, yum, yum. So this is a flock block. If you want to know how to make it, I might make a YouTube video if you have chickens. Oh, sorry. And they love it. It's like really yummy. It's okay, Laya. Laya, be nice. Lacey deserves some flock block too. Lacey, you shouldn't have given it to him yet. Lacey, come eat the flock block, Laya. You gotta hold off from the flock block. She's with the chickens right now, right, Lacey? We're having some technical difficulties. Laya! Yeah, I always see it like this, so I'm sorry for your loss. Okay, yeah, let's go back to picking cherries, anyone? It just got like super sunny, yeah.
Oh, it's on the shade. We're doing this.
A cherry tree, chickens and cherry tree. We haven't gotten as many cherries this year because that big old storm. So, someone's making a big loud noise, lawn mowing. You still working on that quote-unquote flock block? I mean, we have such a big flock of two, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Oh yeah, if you haven't, make sure you watch the Lacey and Laya, Meet Lacey and Laya video before you watch this one because you just need to watch it. Hi, Lacey. Hi, Carol. Oh, yo. You want another cherry, Laya? Laya gets kind of mean when it comes to treats, so if you see her peck Lacey, just comment, no, Laya, because she'll, like, get mean. I can, like, when she goes, she means mean. She's, like, being mean. You being mean? Good. Cherry tree, cherry Courtney, cherry tree, cherry Courtney. Roses, this is our backyard. Roses, and yeah. It's too hot in here. Oh, we have the music playing, so just ignore that. Yeah. Let me know what some videos I could do with the chickens. Let me know some chicken video ideas. I have a lot, but if you have some, share them in the comments section. I'm spying on the chickens. Lacey, little heart bottom. Laya. Oh boy, oh boy. Come on, Laya. I just started getting Laya to drink water. She was not drinking it because like her mouth's open. No, Laya, come back. You need more water. Laya, come here. Come here. Lacey's drinking lots of water. You need to be just like Lacey. She's just like, no thank you. Come on, drink. More water. Oh, it's like 90 degrees out here. Come on, drinky. It's very important you drink. Laya, come back. You need to drink more.
Hey, I want those cherries.
Wow.
What are you following me for? I don't have anything for you.
Just wow. Look at this. They're just bugging my mom for like cherries or something.
Get them.
Come back here, Lacey.
I better not carry anything, because that's what's making them.
Guys, there's no treats in there. There's just cherries, even though you like cherries. Laya!
I don't have anything, guys.
Treat! The cherry!
Go in the shade.
Cherry! Cherry.
Shade.
Come on, right there. There you go. There you go. Lacey, do you want a cherry? Pick a cherry for her.
I'll throw them at you.
Lacey, look. Lacey. It's a cherry. Do you even care about cherries? Oh, wait. I threw that wrong. Hello. Come on, eat it. Fine, I'll give it to Laya since you just want to follow Courtney around.
Hey, leave me alone.
Lacey, come here. Eat a cherry. Like Laya. Come on, Lacey. Lacey. Come on, there you go. Whatever. I guess I'll give him to Laya. Laya, you want a cherry?
Here, give him this one. Whoops, I didn't throw it.
You didn't.
I'm not throwing it to her. I wanted that one gone because it had eaten. But
Lacey, come here, sweetie.
it was
Lacey.
partly eaten by
Lacey. Come on. Come here, girls. I just like to eat the grass and peck cherries. I mean, look at this tree. We're gonna make cherry jelly. Maybe we can give him can we give him like a taste of cherry jelly?
No.
Yeah, it's too good.
Jelly. Hurts.
Papa. Say hi, Laya. Laya's really hot out here. Lacey, you back there? Lacey's just bugging my mom.
Talking to me?
It's okay, Laya. You gonna say hi to everyone? Yeah. Baby shark. If I should do a TikTok with Laya, that'd be so funny. She's a good girl. It's really hot out, Laya. You need to drink some more water.
Cherry.
You wanna go some more cherries? Some more cherries. Do you want some more cherries? Go find some cherries, Laya. Lacey, come here. You want a cherry, Lacey? Come here. Ready? Ready? Lacey. Cherry. Lacey, you looking at the cherries? Say hi. Cuckoo. Goo-goo. She's a goo-goo chicken. You're really hot, I know. Well, you gotta drink water. Laya's like right over there. Look at that. Oh, wow. She just thinks she can just go under the stairs whenever she wants. Say hi. We're giving a shout out to Lacey.
You might want to call and break the news to me.
All right. Want a cherry?
Call lonesome 77203.
No. All right. Okay. Laya's just over there. She's like, and I have some extension. All right, Lacey, you can go down. Bye. Bye. Ow, you're scratching me. What did she do to me? Lacey! Hardcore. Come here. Hiya. Are you eating weeds? You weirdo. Hardcore chicken. Lacey, what are you doing? This is like a beautiful angle. Laya's on the pot. Get off the pot, Laya. You're taking too long. Laya's on the pot. Ah. You guys just missed her epic jump down parkour move. Hi, Lacey. She likes to hi. Alright, ready? Slow. Careful. Careful. You wanna go? Hop down. Careful. You do it. Gotta be very careful. Ready? There you go. Laya, what do you want? Laya, come here. Laya has entered the scene. Come on. Do you wanna do it? Lacey didn't wanna do parkour class. Parkour class with chickens. Hi, Laya. She doesn't know to think. Oh, poor baby. Be careful. Fly onto the pot. You're on the pot now. Jump off of the pot. Jump off. Ready? Perch. There you go. I'm so proud of her. What are we even listening to? Chickens, do you like Johnny Cash? Because, like, I mean, he's okay, but Lacey doesn't like Johnny Cash, clearly.
They love Johnny Cash.
They love Johnny Cash.
Country chickens.
Country chickens. You're not a country chicken. go. Bye. Let me know if you want me to do, well, that's a fail. Okay, let me know if you want me to do a vlog video with them exploring the front yard. They have never been in the front yard, but
This branch right here, the lowest one.
they could be. So if you want to see Junior Explorers, Chicken Junior Explorers exploring the front yard video, like the video. If we can get this video to like 5 likes, then I will do a Chicken Junior Explorer video. She doesn't have anything, Lacey.
Yeah, quit following me.
Cherry. Wait, I didn't want her to bite me. They're picking all those cherries. We don't have as many cherries as we should, but whatever. Yeah, I don't want to see the cherries.
Enough to make some jelly.
We have enough cherries to make some jelly.
I tried to forget.
So, yeah. Guys, are you ready to go say bye? Saying bye? She's not going in there for a treat. Fluffy bottoms, hashtag fluffy bottoms, hashtag daily fluff. Okay, that was weird. Yeah. Well, guys, I guess we could do the outro. If you watched it, then if you watched the whole video, I guess. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'll see you in my next video. I failed. Oh my gosh, I keep failing. What do I say? Okay, guys, I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, guys, I guess I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Don't just say bye.
Bye. Enjoy the video? Watch more here. Subscribe and like the channel, and most of all, wait, what? No. Subscribe and like the video, and share this channel.